Hi, I'm Nicholas from Thermomix. Hi, I'm Nicholas from MasterChef Singapore. Today, I got a new stuff for me to play, which is the Thermomix TM6, and I just received it to give you a good quick review and a test run on it. Let me see what I got. Okay, starting a Thermomix TM6 is just like starting a new mobile phone. It's very intuitive. Inside Thermomix TM6 is a quad-core processor, just like computer cooking in your kitchen. TM6 comes with integrated Wi-Fi. You have direct access with 50,000 over worldwide recipes on the Cookidoo platform. Recipes are tested and constantly updated. I can also take a look at TM6 exclusive recipes such as caramelizing high-temperature cooking dishes. Even for a MasterChef like me, it's an awesome inspiration as there are tons of cooking ideas. There's nothing like this in the market, and Thermomix is just super advanced with all the recipe collection. Okay, basket for me to do serving. It looks so familiar to me as I've been using this during the MasterChef competition. But this one is so different. They come with a lid on top. It's a great safety feature. Splash guard to prevent splashing while you're cooking. Another great safety feature. I like this spatula. It's easy for me to scrape the things from the bottom. What I love about this measuring cup, which is made of silicone, it doesn't create a lot of sound when it's doing kneading or any kind of mixing inside. Kettle function, sous vide cooking, slow cook, low kneading, high temperature cooking. Thermomix is very intelligent.